Watch this video only and only if you are ready to make your SP worship the ground you walk on. If you are somebody who's been trying to manifest your SP, you've been chasing after them, you've been giving them all the attention and love they need, but still do not have commitment or the right level of consistency in relationship with your SP, when you do what I'm about to teach you today, they are going to do a complete 360-degree reversal in their behavior, make you a priority in their life, and you will be extremely happy in your relationship with your SP. So, if this is something that you want, let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I am your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy, practical, and fun for you guys. So let's dive in. Ready to go from the person who's chasing their SP to the person who's being worshipped and chased by their SP, you are going to have to learn a very key secret of what is called the dark feminine energy. So, if you truly are fed up with your SP's current behavior, what I want you to do is very simple. There are two steps to this process. Two steps will completely make you step into your dark feminine energy, and this is not just for women. Men and women both have feminine and masculine energy. When you do what I'm about to tell you today, you're going to step into that seductive, charismatic, powerfully attractive energy that is going to make you so ridiculously unforgettable from your SP. They will not be able to resist their urge to come towards you when you do this. The first step is you are going to stop all contact. You are not going to anymore contact your SP. Oftentimes, what we do when we want something, especially when we want somebody, is that we try to go out of our way to make that person feel special. And I'm going to share my personal experience with you on this because there was a time when I did not know about manifestation. And here's what used to happen with me. If I wanted something, I became the desperate kind. I would desperately go after them, giving them all the attention, showering them with gifts, only to get nothing in return. No attention, even. I was always the one initiating contact. I was always the one trying to make plans. I was always the one going out of my way to make that person feel special, and they made me feel like trash. But the moment I was done with that person, the moment I went, look, I don't think this is working anymore, I quit. And when I would do that, when I would stop contact, when I would stop taking that effort, that person would come running back in. And back then, I used to think, oh, I am that unlucky human being who doesn't get what she wants when she wants it. She only gets it when, she doesn't want it anymore. That's so bad. That's so unhappy. Now I realize what was happening. My desperation to have that person and my complete focus on the absence of that person in my life was actually creating unwanted blockages in my manifestation. Because there's no other way to explain why the moment I went out of the need to have that person or out of the energy of desperation towards that person, they would be attracted to me. And that is essential, don't you think? Because every time we are desperately after somebody, they feel our desperate energy. This whole world is energy. If you're thinking something about somebody, that person is apparently feeling that. They are feeling your thoughts, they are feeling your energy. So when you give them a desperate energy, they are going to be repelled. And most likely, your SP is not playing hard to get. They just don't like your energy. You're not the kind of energy when you're desperate and when you're extremely needy that appeals to them. Some people are, they love playing hard to get, but most of the times your SP is not doing that. Most of the times to your SP, they are attracted to you, but because of your desperate energy, because of your, the your need to make this person feel extra special, going out of your way to do things for them, they can actually pick up that energetic signature, and it creates pressure on them, and they don't want to have anything to do with you anymore. So when you stop contact, you not only, first of all, clear up that desperate energy, because you're telling the universe that no, I don't need this person. My life will continue to be as good as it is with or without that person. You're not only doing that, but you're also telling them that the desperation is gone. And now the energy exchange between the two of you can happen with ease. So stop all contact. That is step one. Step two is something really, really fun. Really, really fun. So the moment you stop contacting that person, after that, what you can do is, I have a video on how to receive a text message from your SP. I'll link that at the end of this video so that you can watch it. But do that exercise that I suggest in that video, and then what you're gonna do is improve your self-worth quotient by doing things that are extremely fun for you. So ask yourself, this is a very common tendency when we become desperate for anything, including your SP, is that we put all of our focus on them and their behavior, and we stop living our own life. We start giving that person all the attention, and we take all the attention away from ourselves, when instead of that, when you want to manifest your desires, your job, your priority, in fact, should be to make yourself feel good. So ask yourself, when was the last time you hung out with your girlfriends, or you hung out with your boyfriends? You know, if you're a girl with your friends and a boy with your friends, when was the last time you hung out with your friends? When was the last time you did something fun with your friends or your family? When was the last time you just had an all night long movie marathon? Or you went for a spa, or you went for a shopping spree, or you had a gaming session all night long? When was the last time you did something for yourself? And you will find out that you've been so obsessed with your SP that you've forgotten to take care of yourself. So, what you're essentially telling the universe when you do that is that I am putting my life on hold right now, and I will only enjoy my life when I have something, but that does not work. You have to enjoy your life now as much as you can. Okay, if your circumstances are, they're really in your face, the best you can do is give yourself a good night's deep sleep. That's perfect. But your task with manifestation is to give yourself everything that you need right now. You've got to have fun and find ways to have fun right now, because when you do that, you will trigger the universe in such a powerful way. You will tell the universe, I deserve to have fun. I deserve to feel happy. I deserve to enjoy life. What would happen then? Think about it. What happens then is that the universe tries to bring to you everything that will make you happy, including your SP. This is when they will start chasing you. This is when people would start chasing me, when I stopped giving a damn about them and started taking care of myself, started taking care of my needs, and started going after the things that I enjoyed doing in my life. They came after me. That's the secret to making anybody chase you. Go from being the chaser to the chased. Okay? One word of caution that I do want to give you here is that when I first understood this concept, I thought it was complete crap. Okay, now the technique part is done. Okay, but I really need you to hear this, because for most of the people, this will come across as, oh, this is crap, because we are taught that if we want something, we have to really put all of our focus on it, give it all of our attention, blah, blah, blah. What we do not understand is that when we put all of our focus on something, it has to be positive, and it has to make us feel good. That's the secret to manifestation. You're not supposed to be frustrated. You're not supposed to be struggling, worrying, and feeling bad about why they are not treating you properly. That's not manifestation. You are supposed to enjoy life, and more life that you can enjoy will come to you. That is manifestation. So let it go. Stop the contact. Watch that video. I'm linking it up here right now. Watch that video. Do what I asked you to do in that video. Then completely let it go. Have fun. Enjoy life. Take out time for self-care, self-love today. And I'll tell you in 1 week, I have a record, guys. Every time I've done this within a week, what I want has manifested. Within 1 week, you would have cleared all your resistance just by having fun, just by taking care of yourself. You would have cleared up all your resistance and you will manifest your desire. So if you're ready, try this. Let me know what happens in a week. So, thank you so much for joining me here today. Comment Master Manifestor, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed yet. For my 1:1 guidance, you can check the description box or my pinned comment for all the details. I have a 30-day manifestation challenge as well as 3 to 4 specialized 1:1 guidance packages where I answer your queries on a much deeper, in-depth level. We kind of have a back and forth conversation. I also create for you your custom manifestation routine, meaning I give you your custom affirmation, scripting, visual cues, and hook you up with fun manifestation techniques that you are going to enjoy. I also give you your sleep tapes, your subliminals. It's very extensive. So do sign up for those programs. If you want to sign up for those programs, you can check the description box for the details or you can send me an email. My email is also in the pinned comment or in the description box. So let's chat. And thank you so much for watching me today. Thank you so much for being here and I'll see you again soon. Bye.